Gold versus the US dollar, buy 0.2, 1,000 points profit, $200. Now, the number of points, some traders, they don't understand the number of points. So it's important to pay attention. The number of points. Now, this will assist you to understand SL, stop loss, take profit. It is simple and easy. SL, stop loss, how much money you will risk, which is a negative. We can say you are risking negative $100. Profit plus money that you will profit. Let's say in this case you will profit what? $200. Simple and easy. Now, when we look at the number of points, we have to pay attention. Some platforms, they don't offer you these options for you to understand the number of points, which it can be challenging for you to count. Now, this number of points that you see is 1,000. This is equivalent to $200. Based on that, we're using 0.20 lot size. Now, we are mentioning a lot size. Now, lot size is 0.2, which is 0.20 in reality. All right, I trust you understand. So now, for you to understand this number of points, is for you to use the MetaTrader 5 platform. If you want to use the MT5 or MT4, here MT4 platform, you open any asset of your choice. Let's say you open GBP USD, you go to chart. Now you can be able to buy or sell, but you have to count manually. If right now you click buy, and it allows you to go ahead, place the buy, you will see your the trade counting here. So the app will automatically count for you how much is actually what you are making, how much money you are losing. But it will not be able to count if you just press here, you go to chart. It will not be able to count if you press here on this horizontal line. It doesn't have the feature like the MT5, so you're not going to be able to count. You'll have to count manually, which can be so challenging if you're still new. But if you're an advanced trader, it might be simple, because you will actually take the price where you've made the buy and the price where you want to set a stop loss, minus those two, get the difference, then you will have what? You will have the points, then you will times by the lot size. If your lot size is 0.20, then you will get how much money you are risking. It is that simple. It is that easy. So if you need some clarity in those calculations using the MT4, you'll comment in the section below so that I can assist you better. But in most cases, for traders, I highly recommend, if you go to trade section, you'll be able to see this. I highly recommend that you use the MT5 because of it's much easier to actually use or trade with. It is simple and easy to actually use. Now you go to trade, you'll be able to see how much money you're making. You go to chart, it will show you how much money you are making or losing even here. It is simple and easy. So now when it comes to setting the TP, which is take profit, and stop loss, which is just SL, you will need to understand the points. These points will actually give you a clarity, all right, or will actually make you understand how much money you'll be risking for the month, for the week, for the day. Simple. Now, the number of points here, some of you will be asking me about pips, which is what we call percentage in points, which will count it using 10%. So if right now you have 100 points, this will be divided by 10, which will give you 10 points. So this is a standard unit for us to count the points. But the precise way, we're using this one. Even if we're applying robots, we are using a certain strategy, we apply the number of points so that we can actually understand the precise movement. If we are using the pips, we aren't going to be able to understand the precise movement. So it's much easier to count in points. Now, when we look at this app, the app will do everything for you. You don't have to stress, you don't have to worry, but you have to understand that if you're risking, this number of points must work with what? Your risk to reward ratio. Your risk to reward ratio. Your RR, risk to reward ratio, which in most cases I highly recommend that your risk to reward ratio must start as to 1:4, which means you are risking $1 and your profit, you are expecting at least to make $4 out of this trade. So if you are risking $10, you are expecting to make $40. It is that simple and easy. If you risk 100, you're expecting to make 400. If you risk 1,000, you're expecting to make 4,000. It is simple and easy. You repeat the same thing over and over again. But then, for you to have this risk management like this, the 1:4,000, the number of points, it's simple. Once you do understand how the number of points works using this platform, you'll be able to count that by using these features here. If you press here, press TP. All right, let's say right now our risk is let's say our risk is 10. Let's say our risk was here. All right, now we want to profit what? We want to profit 40. So you'd have to move it above, above, above. There we go. And it can stay here at 40. There. See, you are risking 10 to profit $40, which is 4,025 points. It is that simple, easy. And the points that you are risking here is just only 1,000 points, right? 1,008 points. It is simple and easy for you to work like this. But you must understand that once you have an understanding of this point, you will need the market structure for you to align this, and also align where you get in and where you get out, so that it can be able to be profitable. Now, this app will count how much money you're making, the profit, and how much money you will actually make will be determined by market structure. The structure that you're using in the market, whether you're using the pullback, whether you're using the breakout, whether you're using the we have pullback when the chart is going down like this, which means after breakout, you have a pullback. Breakout is here, you have a pullback, and we have also a retest on these areas. You also have the two equal higher or higher prices, or equal lower prices, where you actually trade your demand, or where you trade your supply areas or zones. It is that simple and easy. So now I trust you understand how this point works, so that you can be able to count do this with your mobile phone, try it every time you want to trade. You can also click here, modify the trade, just for you to actually make sure that you set up everything correctly. It's that simple. So now let's go ahead and close these trades here and go to close all positions. And for those who don't have a trading account, what you can do, go to our YouTube channel, Bozza Trader. You subscribe here, and you can click here. We have this broker that I highly recommend that you can use for you to trade for 75 and other assets that we trade. And you can also use the other brokers that we use here for you to trade the market. And I highly recommend that you also join our WhatsApp group. If you press the bozzatrader.com, you can visit our website. Then it will take you to this page here. So what you will do, you go to group 2, group 1 for you to join our trading group. It's simple and easy. Now, on this trading group, I share market direction so that you can be able to at least trade. All right, I share market direction for you to actually trade almost every day. We trade, we log profit, we do more things. All right, so stay tuned, stay blessed, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any difficulties with understanding the points. Do you understand how the points works? It is simple, because the points, they show us how much money we are making, how much money we are losing. Now, precisely, we have this what we call a bid line and ask line. So this is a line for selling, this is a line for buying. All right, now in between we have a spread. So when it comes to the points, or setting a stop loss, a take profit, precisely when you set the stop loss and take profit, this line will actually will close the trade. Right, will close will close the trade. If you actually set a stop loss below, if you've made a buy, this bid line will actually close the trade. If this trade line will not actually close the trade if you went to the buys. But then for you to get a full clarity of to how this red and blue line work, how they affect your profit, how you can actually understand them, that they are actually not the same from brokers to brokers. They are different. So you must actually also be careful of the asset that you should choose. If you go to quotes, there's some assets that have higher spread. So you have to be careful of that. I trust and understand. So if you have any questions, you let me know. If you actually confused as to, I don't really understand the number of points, what are we talking about here? The number of points is just how much money we'll be making and how much money will be losing. But we have the control to set how much money we'll be making, how much money we'll be losing. It is that easy. So I trust you will understand. If you have any questions, you let me know.